studying how I may compare this prison where I live unto the world. For because the world is populous, and here is not a creature but myself, I cannot do it. Yet I'll hammer it out. My brain I'll prove the female to my soul the father, and these two beg it, a generation of still breeding thoughts. And these same thoughts people this little world, in humours like the people of this world. For no thought is contented. The better sort as thoughts of things divine are intermixed with scruples and do set the word itself against the word. As thus come, little ones, and then again. It is as hard to come as for a camel to thread the postern of a needle's eye. Thoughts tending to ambition, they do plot unlikely wonders, how these vain, weak nails may tear a passage through the flinty ribs of this cold, hard world. For they cannot die in their own pride. Thoughts tending to content flatter themselves that they are not the first of fortune's slaves, nor shall be the last. Like silly beggars who, sitting in the stocks, refuge their shame that many have and others must sit there. And in this thought they find a kind of ease, bearing their own misfortune on the back of such as have before endured the like. Thus play I in one person, many people, and none contented. Sometimes am I king, then treason makes me wish myself a beggar, and so I am. And crushing penury persuades me I was better when a king, and by am kinged again, and think that I am unkinged by Bolingbroke. Straight am nothing. But whate'er I be, nor I nor any man that but man is, with nothing shall be pleased, till he be eased with being nothing. Music do I hear? Ha ha! Keep time. How sour sweet music is when time is broke and no proportion kept. So is it in the music of men's lives. And here have I the daintiest of ear to check time broke in a disordered string. For the concord of my state and time had not an ear to hear my true time broke. I wasted time, and now doth time waste me. For now hath time made me his numbering clock. My thoughts are minutes, and with sighs they jar their watches on unto mine eyes, the outward watch, whereto my finger like a dial's point is pointing still and cleansing them from tears. Now, sir, the time that tells what hour it is are clamorous groans which strike upon my heart, which is the bell. So sighs and tears and groans show minutes, times, and hours. Yet my time runs posting on in Bolingbroke's proud joy, while I stand falling here, is Jacko the clock. This music mads me. Let it sound no more, for fear it have holp madmen to their wits. In me it it seems it would make wise men mad, yet crushing on his heart that gives it me. For 'tis a sign of love, and love to Richard is a strange brooch in this all-hating world.